Hey everybody, Dennis here. Today we're going to be working on this 2007 Chevy Silverado pickup. Problem is the latch broke. Very common problem. The way that this one broke, believe it or not, was by the wife leaving the phone cord inside and shut it and broke it. And all it is a simple piece of plastic. It just bends when you pull back on it. So we're going to replace that. To get this trim cover off, there are 4 Torx 20 screws, and then the latch is held on by 2 Phillips. So we're going to get these Torx 20 out real fast, and this console lid is actually got some clips that hold it in. Alright, this trim piece, once you get the screws out, is still in there. It's got some clips that holds it to the top of the lid. So you can get a screwdriver, or in my case I got a trim stick that Subaru gave me. And it will kind of pop loose. There are some in the middle on the outsides, and basically just surrounding it. That was the old piece that was still in there. One still holding it in. There it goes. And here are these little plastic tabs. Here, here, here. Actually, that one broke right here. Actually, that's the screw. Someone's already had this off because I couldn't get that screw out. But yeah, there's little plastic tabs that hold it in everywhere. Alright, so here's where it broke. There's 2 Phillips screws. You just take them off. They're number 2 Phillips. The new one has a hole and 2 dowel pins right there where my fingers are at. I want to make sure those are in the 2 holes here. Go ahead and start your screws. Now you can use a drill or electric screw gun to take these off and put them on even, but you need to be extremely careful, and this is such an easy job to do with just a regular screwdriver. So by the way, I got this replacement part from Amazon. I think it cost about $10, and shipping and everything, I think it was like 16 bucks. They go from anywhere from $10 to $30 is what I saw them. So now that that's on, you can go ahead and put the trim cover back on. And when you're doing that, you got to make sure you snap it in first before you put the screws in. Squeeze it from both sides. Don't push back because you'll break something. Damn horsefly decided to come in the truck with me. Put that on the blooper reel too. Alright, that's all snapped in, so I'll grab my Torx 20 or T20. Run those down. again, no need to over tighten them, because if you do, you will strip out the plastic and then it'll be pretty useless. Or in the case of this one down here, it was broken off already, or it was actually broken from the plastic. Alright, final thing to do is test it out and make sure it works. It's latched. Just remember, don't put your phone cord where the latch is. It'll break off easy.